An academy. Let's crack it.
If I were to ask you, a lot of bashing is done against the Britishers, that they took away, all the assets, and they were interested in their own personal interest and so on. But when you talk about the positive side, if I were to ask you to enumerate a few things which Britishers gave to this country, which we still, we really, those institutions are still running, and we owe it to the Britishers. Can you give me some things which were done by the British for this country?
Sir, the Britishers were here with an aim of exploitation, sir. And exploitation on a large scale requires administration, sir. And in that vein, they did institute administrative and measures to enhance their control. The first and foremost is Indian Railways, sir. In the Indian Telegraph, sir. These were institutions that helped uh, extend their control over the country, but also the spillover effect was post-independence. We were able to utilize these services for our development, sir. Besides that, one aspect I think the British uh, really opened our eyes to was our own history, sir. Because prior to the British, we were unaware of the history of India stretching back to 3000 BC, that is the Indus Valley Civilization, sir. So I believe the Archaeological Survey of India is also an important institution that the British have left to us, sir.
Okay, any others?
So in the same vein, as a doctor, I would recount all the major public health institutions established by the British, sir, including Calcutta Medical College, which is the oldest in the country, sir. Madras Medical College, again in the mid 19th century, sir. Besides health, sir, the zoology.
In health itself, since you are a doctor, something was done, initiated by the Britishers for the first time, and that was something which still continues. One important thing which every child, when he's born, what is that?
Vaccination, sir.
Vaccination. So vaccination was introduced by the Britishers. Anything else?
So in addition to that, one aspect that I find very interesting is the concept of Indian medical services, which was instituted in the 1760s and went on till August 15, 1947, sir, when it was disbanded. So that is another aspect I would like to highlight, sir.
One or two more things. Just I want you to spell out that. Did they do anything regarding the social problems prevailing in the country? What did they do in that?
So the British,
Yeah.
there were two schools of thought, sir. Primarily on the social front, they facilitated the end of sati, sir. They facilitated widow remarriage, sir.
Yeah.
They brought the age of consent bill, sir. One of the governor generals also liberated the press itself and gave it more freedom, sir. On the social aspect further,
Yeah, that's all right.
Yes,
Social reforms. Okay.
An academy. Let's crack it.